guys, welcome back to my channel. We're doing the third cash stuffing of November, so let's go. So we are stuffing 550 euros today. That's what we have here. We have ones. Once again, these are available in my Etsy shop. Go check them out. Limited quantity, one-time offer only. And also there's a discount code for you guys. We have fives, both placeholders and real bills, 10s, 20s, and 50s. So yes, let's start stuffing. We are starting with our cash envelopes today. And we are putting 45 into groceries, which is going to be a 20, a 10, and 3 fives. 1, 2, and 3. So 20, 30, 35, 40, 45. That's, in groceries. That's a lot of bills. And then spending is going to get 30, which is a 20 and a 10. So that's in spending. And dine out is going to get 70, which is a 20 and a 50. Yes, okay. So that's dine out. And buffer isn't going to get anything. So that's all for cash envelopes. Let's move on to our short-term sinking fund. You know what? Let's not. Let's actually do long-term sinking funds today first. I don't know why. I feel like it. Why not? You know, let's change the system. Okay, so car is going to get 1 today. It's exciting. I've never done long-term sinking funds before. Oh. So car has now 120, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, and 52. So 152 into car. Home will be also going to get a 1. And then home will have now 120, 30, 35, 40. So 140, 41, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So 149 in home. Great. Emergency is going to get a 10 today. And those are fake bills. We are putting placeholders in here. So emergency has now 1,500, 700, 800, 50, 900, so 1,900, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, so 1,995. We are literally 5 away from 2,000 in our emergency fund. That's amazing. So savings is where we do our roll the dice challenge. So we have a budget of 10 and we roll until we can't stuff anymore. So our bill distribution is a 5. And 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so let's roll and see how much we can stuff today. We have 1, we have 5, that's 6, 3, that's 9, and 2. Okay, so 1, 5, and 3. So 1, 5, and 3, and that's 9 in total. So we are stuffing 9 into savings. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the 1 extra is going into travel. So now savings has 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 7, 8, 9, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84. So 84 into savings. That's great. And then next we have, so retirement is fully funded, stocks are fully funded, pets is going to get a 1 today. And that will bring the total to 120, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 131, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 137 in pets. Technology is also going to get a 1. And that brings the total to 110, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So 122 in technology. Weddings will be getting a 1. And that brings the total to 120, 25, 30, 31, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 137. And babies will be also getting a 1. So now the total is 120, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, and 37. So 137, the same as in weddings. So that was long-term sinking funds this time. We started with this. Now let's go to short-term sinking funds. We switched up the system. So clothing is going to get a 10 today. And now it has 10, 20, 30, 35, and 40 in clothing. Health is next and is going to get 70 across the whole envelope. And let me take out, oh my god, Jesus. Okay, well, I didn't expect that to happen. Wait. The tabs, if it gets thick, okay. I don't know why, but this suddenly decided to come out of the binder. Okay, now we should be good. Okay, so dentist is going to get a 20. So dentist has now 50, 100, 120, 140, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200. So 200 in dentist. Therapy is going to get 40. And that brings the total to 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 270, 290, 310, 320, 325, 330 in therapy. So 330 in therapy. And then miscellaneous will be getting a 10. So the total is 10, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28. So 28. The total of health, I'm not counting, but I think it's a little bit over, yeah, 600 euros. So that was health. Now we move on to beauty, and beauty is also going to get a 70 in total. And here we're only stuffing 2 categories. So laser is going to get 30. So I'm not going to take them out. So laser will be getting 30. And it has now 50, 100, 150, 170, 190, 210, 230, 240, 250, 260, 270, 275, 280. So 280 in laser. And then products is going to get 40. And products have now 20, 40, 50, 55, 60. So I already ordered some products from here. Now I have a different website I want to order from. So that's where that money will go. Next is travel, and travel is going to get 160, which is 3 50s and a 10. So 50, 100, 150, 60. And we are saving for my next trip that's happening next year, but I'm not going to tell you where to yet. And I will tell you all of the budget breakdown when I get to that video. But for now, we're just collecting money. So travel has now 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, 420, 40, 50. So 450. 460, 470, 480, 490, 495, 500, 505, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 514 euros in travel. That's great. This will be very satisfying to condense. Gifts isn't going to get anything. A rollover is going to get 30. And that brings the total to 20, 40, 50 in rollover. And then fun is going to get 10 today. And we are working on winter. And the total is now 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85 in winter. Okay. So that was short-term sinking funds. And now we are moving on to savings and miscellaneous. So in our iridescent binder, Christmas is fully funded. We're not stuffing Etsy. Charity is going to get a 1. Oh, I forgot to put the one in travel. Okay. Well, I'll put it later. So charity now has 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. Okay, and tattoos and piercings isn't going to get stuffed. And then we have our large binder, my favorite binder, which is the A5. And we have 30 for 31st, and it's going to get a 25 today. So that's a 20 and a 5. And how much do we have in here now? So 500, 700, 800, 850, 870, 890, 910, 930, 950, 955, 960. So 960. We are a little bit away from 1,000, which is so fun. And yeah, so that was 30 for 30. And now let's move on to subscriptions. I have introduced a new envelope which we are stuffing today, and we have now transport, which is going to be for gas, for bus, for taxis, whatever, because I realized I need that. And we are stuffing 3 into transport, which is going to be the first 3 we have in here. And we in subscriptions we have credit card, Spotify, Wild deodorant, and transport now. So those are the 4 that we're saving in subscriptions for. And then let's quickly go back to travel and stuff. The €1 bill I forgot to, and that was, we had 414 I think. Now we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 420, 440, 450, 460, 70, 80, 90, 500, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes, so 515 now in travel. That's great. So that was all for this cash stuffing. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel. We have fun over here. I'll be back soon with more videos, but in the meanwhile, please go check out my Etsy shop. First of all, I have my mystery kits available, my cash envelopes, everything. And in the meanwhile, I also hope you have a very wonderful season. It snowed for the first time where I live, so I'm very excited for winter. Let me know how you spent Thanksgiving, how you're spending Black Friday, where you put your money to. And yeah, I'm very excited to chat with you guys. I hope to see you very soon, and I'll see you later. Bye!